Hi guys, welcome to Amiel channel. Today I am very happy and very excited that I am purchasing some of the product that I really expecting to use, or I really expecting to use, and I'm happy and waiting for to use it with you guys. I did recently purchasing Gucci Westman Atelier brushes. Yeah, that's right. I did bought it. And I wanted to open it up with you guys as well. Just you guys can see the picture if you maybe like it as well, or just want to try the product. But to me, I think when you try to keep your skin or your facial skin like maintaining and do everything to stop aging, try to use a product, try to use a good skincare, a good cosmetic quality, a good quality cosmetic product. So I think brushes is also one of the most important thing, one of the most importantly things as well, because it's basically you are actually using it directly with your facial, right? You are not maybe you can use with your finger or a sponge, like beauty blender, or sort of that sponge that you can use to press the product on your skin, or press foundation on your facial skin. However, brushes is also one of the solution that you love to try, and I also loving it to try as well. So now I want to show you Gucci Westman brushes that I did bought, or I did purchase recently. Okay, now here we are. It's come into boxes like this. This is the three big one that she launched, right? And also it's come with another one in a smaller boxes size, right? And the last one is come with in the box like this container. Okay, so you can tell how big the boxes is, like that. Anyway, okay, now let's get started. What I'm gonna show you is the first one. This one is the foundation brush, right? And I think it's gonna be very soft. I mean, like it is very soft brush. I did open it 2 days ago. Okay, so they have when you bought it, they have a little sticker like that, just to protecting the brush. So what you need to do, just pull it off like that. Okay, here we are. So brush is very pretty soft as well. Let me comparing with another brushes that I did bought earlier too. For example, this one is Fenty brush. I don't know what to say. I'll let you guys decision it yourself. If you like to get one, don't need to comparing the brushes, this brush with any brushes else. Like it's just a matter of like happy or not happy to use with it. Like really can't wait to use this one. I'm sorry, I think this one is not the foundation brush. Sorry, this one is the powder brush. See that? That's right, this one is powder brush. I see. Okay, next one. I'm apologize. I'm so excited. Okay, and this one is okay, here we are. This one is a foundation brush. Come into a pink, a champagne container, or paper container. Here we are. This is a foundation brush. They come with the plastic bag like that. Okay, same thing. They have a little sticker there to hold it, to hold the package like that. To stick the packet together. Ta-da! So this one is a foundation brush. Okay, this is makes sense because it's much more flattering. Yeah, like that. I think I like it. It's kind of cute to use. You know, if you're crazy with makeup stuff and things, so you just, you know, enjoy with it. Some people, they might enjoying a glass of wine, a glass of good wine. You know, some people, they're crazy with handbag, jewelry, sort of that thing. But I don't know. I just kind of like this thing myself. Okay, just for entertainment. You know, like better than spending money for psychologists, right? Sorry, anyway. All right, and the third one. I can't tell what they say, but they are definitely for blending brush. Ta-da! This is the brush that Gucci she used for a what is it? A what is that called? This one is for tinted highlight. Beauty butter for bronzer. I'm not sure. I couldn't remember this one, but you know, it's for some. I think it's for bronzer. Anyway, they have a protection like that, so you just need to pull it down and that. And here we are. This is the brush it. It's gonna be fun. Okay, so we finish. Open 3 brushes, and I'm gonna show you the smaller brushes. I'm gonna showing you the small brushes. Okay, here we are. What is this one? Okay, this one is baby bronzer. Hold on with that. Okay, and this one is eyeshadow. Alright. This one is eyeshadow number 1. It's come into the champagne color container box, paper box, however. And this one, see that? Scalp sticker there. Let's pull it off. Another one also. This one is for eyeshadow. Just get rid of this little hair that's sticking. Excess little hair. Okay, this one is for eyeshadow. Like that. Okay. And the second one, this one is eyeshadow number 2. Color of the paper box is what? Gray. And here we are, the brush. The brush is kind of like thicker. It's a bit fatter. Fat and kind of round, and I think it's this one. You'll be able to use kind of like a blending for blend. All right. So number 1, you use them to apply it on. Maybe this one is the lighter color, I think, because it's flatter. And the second one, they're rounder. So they probably you just use this for the second color to blend that in, to blending the color for the second one, the round. And then the third one, I like to open it. Ooh. And the third one, this one. Alright. This one is called baby blender. This one is baby blender. Let me pull the sticker off first. Yeah, this one is the baby blender, beauty baby blender. This one called baby blender. How to use it? Let me think. Oh, I remember Gucci. She used it for cheek, for the brushes. She used it for the brush. Alright, so we do that as she showing from the her channel is her product. So I just wanna see how it works. And the last one, the last brushes. I'm broke, you know. I'm very broke. Alright, here we are. Is the last one is come in the paper box. It's called a spot check, I reckon, if I'm not wrong. It's called a spot check brush. Okay, so come in the little cloth black bag like that, and ta-da! There it is. Okay, let me take this little sticky off. Okay, for this brush, I think, in my opinion, I don't know how she used it. She probably used it to pointing in some in the area that needed the cover, like a dark spot or red spot that need to put more product or more foundation to cover the imperfections. So I will assume that. So I'm gonna assume that this brush, this little spot check brush, I'm gonna use it for concealer. just for under eye, you know, like an imperfection redness spot that it need more foundation to tap it to cover it a little more or a little bit more. Okay, here we are. I just open 7 brushes all together. So if she have more brushes, I wish to get it. I'm not sure if I'll get it or not, but oh no, sorry. Okay, righty. Okay, guys. So and moreover, last but not least, this one. I did purchasing her lipstick brushes as well, because I'm gonna use it with her lipstick pack, what's it called, lipstick, yeah, for the lipstick. So they need the brush, so I did purchase the brush as well, and I hope I enjoy with it too. Alrighty, so here we are. This is my craziness at the moment. So oops, this is my craziness. Okay, here we are. This is my craziness at the moment. So next we're gonna use the foundation and lip makeup for today.